These are the taillights off the 74 Dodge we're working on. All the sockets, all the wiring were real good on it, so we're not worried about that. Some of these tabs were actually broke, so we actually found the pieces, used JB weld, cut them in a V, and put them back on. So they're nice and sturdy now. These taillights are so old that they're actually brittle plastic. So you gotta be real careful because they'll break real easy. It's brittle, it's old, you know. We all get old, we all get brittle, it sucks. That's life. As far as the taillight itself went, this is actually the inside and these are your sockets, so we masked them all off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here with some chrome spray and we're going to spray down these so it's really reflective in here. So the taillights will be about 30% brighter than they actually were from the factory. When we get done spraying that, we'll step on to the next and we'll show you we're going to paint these silver just like they used to be factory. We just got it masked off for this. You know, this little funnel that I built in here, the spray paint should actually hold and stay down inside here instead of blasting all back out. So that's what we think is going to happen. We're going to give it a whirl. And it's so humid today, we're actually going to spray it outside here. And then we're going to move it back inside as soon as we get it sprayed so it'll dry. Rust-Oleum Custom Premium Chrome Paint. I hope they're being honest. Custom Pro. I'm hoping they're honest. So much of the spray paint built now is just crap, period. They will tell you whatever you want to hear, so you buy this stuff. And the paint we put on the motor, totally disappointed with it. Car hasn't even been run yet and the paint's coming off it. So all we're doing is just putting a real thin coat on here. Let her start drying. Because chrome paint is going to be like water. It actually seems like it's a real light paint. We're going to let that dry up. You can kind of see how much brighter it is in there already. And as this dries, it's going to get harder and shinier. So we're going to let this sit now, let that coat dry. We'll go back, put another coat on. Do it real light coats because this paint's so thin it'll run, and it's got the real high tense and chrome spots on it. So that'll just give it so much more intense light from the regular standard bulbs. We're not switching the bulbs over, we're going with the standard because it's so expensive and so hard to find everything you want. So already it looks brighter. Can't put your head in there too long because the funnel's working. It's getting the stuff right back in your face. But we'll let that sit up. We'll do another coat on it and we'll show you what the second coat looks like. Heck of a lot better than what it was. There was no shine anymore, no reflectiveness left in it. So that's what we're hoping to do with this chrome, is get reflective, get bright reflects so the light shines back. So we'll let this dry up. We'll start on the next one and we'll get back to you in a minute. Thanks. Yeah, this looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks a lot better.
Well, this is the first one, but I think it looks nice.
No, I'm saying it looks a lot better.
All these mounts.
So here we have the 74 Dodge Charger taillights. They're all chromed out just with that cheap paint. And then here we're showing them already hooked up to the electrical system with brand new 1157 bulbs. A lot brighter. I mean, it is incredible the night to day difference that these new lights have made. If you're thinking about doing this to your own car, your own classic car, highly recommend it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you guys have any questions about this modification. Thank you guys again for all your support, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.